Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. I'm back today with the last minute Dollar Tree haul just before Christmas. And let's just jump right in and get started because it's got a whole bag full of stuff. But we'll start, got this cute little mini fridge pen holder. That's so cute, and it opens up and it has a little compartment there and at the top and a drawer on the bottom. So I thought that was really cute. I'm gonna personalize it with some spray paint and some decals for my sister for Christmas, but I thought that was really cute. And then in the craft section they had these pretty Main Street decals, butterflies, those silver, those are really cute. And as far as I know, all this stuff was $1.50. I can't remember for sure. And got a little bag, a cute four-way nail buffer block. I know my nails look terrible right now. I've been doing gel nail polish, so I thought this would come in handy, so I picked that up. And they had some lovely little decor bottles. It's nice purple and teal. They're really cute. I'm gonna fix this one up. I'm gonna show you a DIY. I'm gonna add some bling on it for my sister for Christmas, but I thought that was cute. And some Marie Claire Limp Plumper, I can't talk today, Plumper Soft Pink Lip Gloss or Lip Oil. I'm not sure which one it is. I don't have my glasses on right now, so I can't really see, but I thought that was a good deal, name brand Marie Claire, so I'll pick that up. Oh, look, I found a penny in my bag. Heads up, that's lucky. And I saw these, and I'm forever running out of bleach. And I thought these would be good to have, for emergency, and it doesn't take up much room, but it's bleach tablets. Each tablet makes a gallon, I think. I don't have my glasses. Let me grab my glasses so I can give you some more information. Okay, it's 10 tablets in here. It's called Neat Concentrated Bleach Tablets. Okay. The smart and neat way to bleach. Add 1 tablet to your washing machine. Or add 1 to your toilet bowl. After it dissolves, just clean as usual, okay? Oh yeah, 1 tablet to a gallon of water. So I thought that was pretty cool, so give that just have it on hand for emergencies if I run out. Okay. Some more stuff in my bag down here. I got this cute little portable work light and a flashlight. I'm forever out of flashlights around here. I can never find them. So I picked up 2. These are for me, so got those. And then I picked up these magnetic bag clips. Now, if you were a Miami Dolphins fan, this would be great, but I'm not. So I'm going to make a decal using my Cricut and some sticker paper and redo these. And I'll show you all those when I do it. But I thought they were good. They're really sturdy. And I suppose they cost way more than $1.50. being NFL. And I'm getting to some groceries. Picked up ramen. Got on a kick where I love ramen. I usually eat it every week, but I like to make mine, and I use bone broth in it, chicken bone broth, and it tastes fabulous. So that's a quick and easy meal for me. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I got this one item here. I know this cost $5, and I thought that was a good deal, even though it was $5, because it has the variety of bags: 18 gallon, 22 quart, 20 freezer, 58 sandwich, and 50 snacks. And this box is reusable. Once you've used what they've got in it, you can just stick yours in there, and it keeps them all organized. So I thought that was a great deal. And then I picked up this little caddy, lips, eyes, and face, but I think I might redo it. I'm not sure yet. thought it would be a good desk organizer for pens, pencils, things like that. So we'll see. And in the craft section, I picked up the Crafter Square faux fur. I was working on a little thing that needs some fur trim, and I saw that and I was like, well, let me grab that. How lucky I was that it was there. Reaching down in my bag, y'all. I picked up a circuit mouse pad. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna see if I can sublimate on it. I should be able to, but we'll give it a try and I'll let y'all know. Then I got some new home decor in. They had these pretty little frames with dried flowers in them. They had a whole lot of different ones. Let me get out the glare so you can see. But I thought this was cute. I might try to add some more flowers to it to kind of spruce it up a little bit. I thought that was cute. And then I had to pick up some more bling. I've been blinging out stuff for my sister for Christmas, and this is the jeweled border stickers. I've got a whole drawer full, but none of them were the right color. And then I got this cute beaded wooden wreath. Yeah, it's still $1.25. It's a 10-inch. And I picked up this pencil and brush organizer. My sister's crazy about pens. She just collects ink pens. She just has hundreds of them. So I thought I would maybe kind of jazz this up a little bit, add something, maybe some of these stickers, I don't know, and make her a pretty pen holder for her desk. So got that, and not a lot more down here. I'm leaning over getting it. Let me get it up here. All right. I picked up this nail art tool brush because I've been doing my own manicures and stuff, and I thought that would come in handy. It's 2-piece with a dotting tool and a brush. I guess that's to do designs and stuff on your nails. I picked up some craft beads, the Crafter Squares, 260 pieces. Nice wooden beads. Make some bracelets or some keychains. I thought that would be cute. And then they had this adorable coaster set that's records, and I've got 2 DIYs that I want to try to do using this. Let me see, I'm going to open it up and show you, but I don't want to tear the box up. Let me find something to open the box. But it looks like an old-fashioned record player with little records. So I've got some ideas for this, and I hope to be back with these before Christmas. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm trying, y'all. And then I picked up some socks. I saw another person, not on YouTube, maybe it was on Facebook Reels, and she sublimated on these socks using a jig, a little cardboard jig. So I'm going to give it a try and see if I can make my sister some BTS socks for Christmas. So I'll let y'all know how it turns out. And I think, yeah, these were still $1.25. And I picked up this mini vacuum cleaner because I have glitter everywhere in my craft room. It's all over my keyboard, so on my computer. So I will see if this works. I'll let you know later. And then I found these cute little charms, which I think I'm going to put on a keychain. But this one, I don't know if you can see, it says craft. Oh, I'm not going to say that word, it's the B word, craft B. And then it says Crafty Girl Gang. I thought that was cute. And they had several different kinds. And then this one says Tears of My Enemies, Tall Boy. So I thought that was really cute. So I picked those two up, and they were $1.25 each. And Dollar Tree has been really getting in all kind of nice things that could be cute gifts. This is a jewelry box. I thought it would be a good travel jewelry box. It's coming loose right there, but I can put some glue in there. But it's got a good place for rings and bracelets and assortment, so I thought that was really cool. I might try to personalize that one too. I can stick some of the stickers on it. And what else have I got in my bag? I'm just about to the bottom. I got a pack of Crafter's Square glitter because I got a little tumbler I want to put some glitter on. And then I got another jewelry box. This one was in black. I think that was the only two colors I saw, was the teal and the black. And then I picked up these nice sunglass cases, the faux leather. I'm going to try to personalize those a little bit. I picked up 2 of those. And then the last thing I have is another set of the record-shaped coasters. But anyway, y'all, that is my last-minute Dollar Tree haul before Christmas. I hope to get a bunch of craft videos up in the next couple of days. And if I don't, which is possible, I wish y'all all a Merry Christmas, and it's good to be back on YouTube. And we'll see you next time. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too.